Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use your Western Union Visa card. The first step is to activate your card. Follow the instructions provided with your card. You can usually activate it online or through the Western Union app. To pay in stores, you can tap, swipe, or insert the chip into the payment terminal. You will need to enter your PIN to complete the transaction. Using the card in stores works just like any other Visa debit card. For online purchases, you will need your card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code. Enter this information at checkout, just like you would with any other debit or credit card. Make sure to use secure websites when shopping online. You can also add your card to a mobile wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Wallet. This allows you to pay with your phone or watch without taking the card out of your wallet. Mobile wallets make payments fast and convenient. If you need cash, you can withdraw money at ATMs that accept Visa cards. Thanks for watching.